Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the in-game language on the PowerWash Simulator 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the PowerWash Simulator 2 game on your device. And once you start your game, if you wish to change the language at any point of time, you can simply press the escape button within your keyboard to end up within the home menu. From here, click on the gear icon at the top, and this will immediately show you the language options. If you go into any other tab, you will need to click on the General option, which is the first tab at the bottom section. Within the General tab, the very first drop-down menu is the language. So click on your drop-down menu, and then you can choose whichever language you wish to switch into. Now, you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to switch your language. After you provide your confirmation, the language will be changed right away. You can now start playing your game with your chosen language, and if at any point you wish to switch it, you can once again pause your game, click on the gear icon at the top, and now from the very first menu, you can choose your desired language once again. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the in-game language on the PowerWash Simulator 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.